Welcome back for another unboxing. This time we're unboxing Acqua de Parma, Colonia Intensa. Boom. And let's unwrap it and unbox it. Once again, another blind buy. Let's go. All right, here's the box. It's round. Name of the house, bottom, batch code, barcode, ingredient information, 100 ml, 3.4 ounces. Yo, let's go. All right, let's unbox it. Boom. There it is. Name of the house, nothing on the top. Bottom, batch code information. Nice looking bottle. Here's the cap. It's cool. All right, well, the cap is good. Locks in, you can see. There you go. Let's get a few sprays. All right, well, that atomizer is like a 9 out of 10. Let's go. Let's go. All right, opening's really good. It's fresh, definitely fresh. There's some herbs, citrus. It's woody. Yeah, it's just off the top. It's really good. I like it. I get like Sicilian lemon. It's so good. Yo, this is really good. Blind buy safe, 100%. But yo, for a blind buy, this is good. Atomizer's great. The scent, the opening, it's really, really good. I can't complain about it. It is Auto Colonia. It's an Intensa. It's niche, expecting long lasting as well. Especially for the heat, the summer, out here in San Diego, this is where I'll be rocking. Thank you for watching. See you on my next unboxing. Peace.